Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace this ignition coils on a Toyota 2.5 liter engine. This is a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but this engine is also found in a number of other Toyota models, so the procedure is going to be the same. You want to make sure that you're using the same ignition coil. The procedure is very simple and straightforward. You want to start by removing this engine cover. You just simply pull this up. Then you want to break loose these 10mm bolts right here. They're not on that tight or anything. So once you get those loose, what you're going to do, you want to press this connector here. We're going to disconnect the electrical connectors. Press and pull, press then pull. Now I'm going to take off these 10mm bolts. And then once I take these off, then I can take the ignition coils off. Just for reference, on the passenger side here where we have the timing belt, there's this would be, if we start on this side, this would be cylinder 1, cylinder 2, 3, and 4. The ignition coils themselves, you can swap them around, especially if you want to test and figure out which one is faulty or defective, or if you're not sure if you got bad spark plugs or ignition coil. So you can switch these around. What you don't want to switch is these connectors. They're not long enough to be swapped around, but these connectors need to stay on the correct cylinder. So you'll take your new ignition coils, you'll put them back on. Alright, and then you'll put these 10mm bolts right there, and you'll tighten these. Alright, so once you get these tight, you gotta go ahead and reconnect these connectors. Now on these models you gotta watch out, because if you see here, this connector has a white piece. Sometimes it can come off and it can get stuck on the inside on the coil. So that piece will look like this, and you can use pliers to just kind of pull it off of here. And you're gonna put that on the connector. Okay, you're gonna put that on the connector. You got a red seal there as well. That gotta stay there. It only goes in one direction, so line that up. There we go. So that's there. That seal is supposed to make it waterproof, but you gotta put that wet piece in there and then push this so until it locks. This white piece is not going to come off every single time, but sometimes it can, so keep an eye out for that. Alright, and then you want to tighten these, get these snug tight. Okay, and then you take the engine cover, you want to line up these right here, and then I push it down on this side until it locks, and that's it. Very simple, straightforward. It takes about 15-20 minutes to replace all 4 ignition coils on this Toyota 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. Thank you for watching.